Well, so how did I came to do this job twice? 3 other locksmiths were here trying to do the key. I don't know what happened. He said they couldn't find the immobilizer box.
But thanks you, you know, this job for you from God. That was your money from God.
He's nearly done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you lose yesterday? What happened yesterday?
I've accidentally wiped the transponder in the key. What is it? I'm gonna explain you in the morning what happened, probably. Until then, I really hope that this VVDI super cheap select used position, no need to write back, really works. Because I've EPROM'd this car, Toyota Avensis. I've write back transponder 4D, started the car, and then you'll see what happened. And now I really need this to work, otherwise I'm let's see. Let's see. I don't think this works. Doesn't work. Okay, so the dashboard out again. Yeah. So I already tried this super cheap VVDI, no need to write back. Garbage, doesn't work. I've tested this before, I've tried this before in the past, and I knew it doesn't work. So kind of, I was hoping it will work. It doesn't. So I have to write back again. My God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This dashboard has been taken out so many times. Everything is scratched. So, yay! Second time, second attempt. Shall I sing you something? Ow, 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 ow. Na, na, na. Da, na, na. Da, na, na. This comes out. This is in my way now. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Oh. Ah, it's still down there, still down there. Okay, where are you, little bastard? Ah, yes. Let's take some pictures. Well, so how did I came to do this job twice? Well, yesterday evening, I've done all this. I've prepared the transponder, write it back into the immobilizer box, started the car, finish it up, put everything back on. I've done the remote, I've put the logo back on the key, and then accidentally, I'm not gonna do this again. I just wanted to check the transponder, and accidentally I generate another transponder on top of it. Avensis. I'm gonna load the original dump. Make a dealer key. So I already tried this super cheap VVDI, no need to write back. Garbage, doesn't work. I've tested this before, I've tried this before in the past, and I knew it doesn't work. So kind of, I was hoping it will work, it doesn't. So I have to write back again. Doamne jeez. Put it back. Key. Let's see the car running.
Good morning, boss.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm old.
Huh?
I'm old.
You're old, yeah?
I'm old, yes.
What do you mean you're old? I don't understand.
I'm just joking. He's nearly done.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you last yesterday? What happened yesterday?
I've accidentally wiped the transponder in the key. What is it? In there? You know how this works? In this key, there's a chip, yeah? I've righted the chip with the car's immobilizer.
Okay.
Yeah? And then, God knows why, I just wanted to read the chip and whatever. I accidentally overwrite it.
Oh.
Press the wrong button.
Fucking hell.
Exactly. And then it wiped everything. It's like different transponder chip. Lost.
What the fuck? So now it's okay?
Took it off again. Write it back.
It's done now, yeah?
Nearly. I'm putting everything back now.
No problem. You want coffee? I'll make you coffee.
I don't want coffee. I had my own coffee. I have my own coffee. I had already 2. I don't know
You sure?
how many. Yeah. Thank you though. Thank you very much.
Man, no problem, man.
Thank you very much. It's gonna be quick, hopefully.
Yeah, man. I asked you because when you finish this, I need to take this to MOT.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I need to do this MOT and then I'm done, man. I was cleaning this is like mess, yeah, like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Like this, from here, like pick the bag up, key in the hand. I go the skip, throw key there.
You throw the key in the skip.
Yeah. In 2 minutes, Bill Lorry came, 2 minutes, Bill Lorry came. I went inside, they took the skip. I was cleaning the car. I came outside, I was cleaning the car. 3-4 minutes, I realized, where the key? I was looking here, then I went inside, I'm looking inside, there's no key. Straight away I realized, to throw in a bin, yeah? I come out, the bin gone, lorry gone. Within 5 minutes, I throw the key, within 5 minutes, everything gone. Unlucky, innit?
Same as what I've done. Unlucky, innit?
Yesterday, yeah?
It happens. What can you do?
Man, it's okay.
It happens.
Fuck, I need to take this out from there, man.
Yeah. Well, you'll be able to take it out in a moment. It's all done, boss. This was done since last evening, but
Thank you, man. Thank you. Check the tape.
check the
Heater.
yeah, working, yeah, AC working. Happy days.
Fully happy days, man.
What happened to the windscreen?
Windscreen fucking. I was fucking hit my head there.
Huh?
I hit my head there. I was doing something, yeah. And my head like gone fucking hitting here. I don't know how, and it got fucking broke.
Ah, okay. Anyways, that's done. You don't break down.
So this is your YouTube channel.
Messy in it. Hmm?
This is
Huh?
this is your YouTube channel.
That's for my YouTube channel. Yes. I'm gonna share you what I'm doing before posting or anything. I'll show you
No problem.
what the
yeah.
video looks like.
No
Yeah.
problem. It's okay?
Yeah.
You happy?
Shake my hand.
Thank you, man.
You happy?
Fucking hell, it was fucking, trust me. I called 1, 2, 3, 4 people. But thanks you, you know, this job for you from God. That was your money from God. You know, you came.
Thank
done
you.
the job, make me happy. My kids are happy as well.
Thank you.